Hello, I am Zozo, but you can call me Nick. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a couch that you can sit on. First, you grab a couch. I'm gonna use this blue one right here. I'm gonna freeze it. Then, you go in the vehicle section. Click this car seat sit. There you go. Now, you hold down the C button on your keyboard. Then this will pop up. You right click it. Then you press disable collisions. After you've done that, you can unhold C. You can use your physics gun to hold it. Then you put it inside the couch. You can put it wherever you want, in the what is this, the right side, right? The right side, the left side, or the middle. For today, I'm gonna do the middle. So there you go. Now after you've done that, you go here again. Then you go to weld. You weld this onto the couch. Then you go to color here. You put it down here, and then you press on the seat. And then there you go. You can sit on the couch. But if you want to see yourself sitting on the couch, you go here again. Then you click camera. Point to where you want to make the camera show. I'm gonna show it to the couch. There you go. Sit on the couch. Then press whatever keybind you set to go in the camera mode. There you go. Now, here I'm sitting on a couch in Gmod. And that's gonna be it for today. See you.